Sivusele mbukeli, sivusele umlandzeli we-Times of Eswatini. Igama lami ngiNimrod Ngwakahlophe. Ngiyajabula ukuthi namhla siyabonana thina nawe sidibana khona la netinkhundleni tetekuchumana njengoba sihlala sidibana ngema-weekends sisuke sisithi inkhundleni tetemidlalo. Sidibana namuhla sitobinda up to the weekend lapho sathi khona ukuthi action yinengi, kunengi kuyadlalwa ibhola, awukhona nashukuma, ukhona nabo-netball. You choose my curtain, ukuchoose wena ukuthi ufuna kuya kuphi. Singena kuso sona sports show sethu, angihambi ngedwana, ngihamba khona nabalingani bami bahle bagcokile banjengami babovu. Kungazuthi boJojo labobovu. Angivusele mphathi wami, ngivusele editor, ngivusele Machawa.
Asivusele babukeli be-Times of Eswatini. Sibonga kakhulu kuSosta Jojo Lobovu.
Ngakunika isikhathi esincane nasompite ngaJojo Lobovu ngihlalisa isikhathi esincane. KG
Asivusele babukeli emakhaya. Ngayise KG wakagwebo. Yes, the only lady sports la khaya.
Hey, the only lady, the one and only. Sivusela nje umbukeli wethu, sivusela kona siyababona bagcokile babovu. Bagcoka imarathon yethu, ukukhumbula ukuthi nathi la khaya kusithe week ago salonja yona imarathon. Kumbe lesela baqala ukutshela wena labo labafisile kuyawugijima kumbe kwenza ukuthi utabe ngakg lapha shaya 21 kilometers because mina ngabe ngithatha imedal ngala 10 kilometers.
Nakanjani 21 kilometers. Yeah, itayibukene nami this time around. Ngifuna kushaya thobele ngwenyama lapha correction.
Hey.
Mina vele ngidatizama yale 5 yelo mkhawa.
Umkhawa utashaya 5 kilometers because emantubaneni wachawo unebalandzeli bakho bomahlombe ehlanga ngicanga usingana yesangakushiya nekukushiya nyana.
Hayi no, mina ndatibamba yale 5 ngifuna ukujoyina mina kule 5 nje akalungise 70 malakeni kusajoyina sihambe sogijima 5.
Yeah, as always ngihlale ngikhona, ngabe ngikhona ngicaptureisha evidence na video ngishooter, but I hope this time around because ngakava lenyimeli marathon bekune staff ngagcina sengishaya abanye ngibashayela ukuthi hey solo ngigadzela finish line nikuphi
yebo sasifuna ukujwayela mina
ngeke bana ukuthi ekhona staff member basikhuluma ngisho nalempilo sikhona success gijima.
Hayi bangitsakaza Shapula ina masinga suna.
Tikona tipitravel ngala matuwaleni but ke sitawuchubeka utokuba i-race sitawuchubeka siyiteke indzaba i-race yethu imhla ka 23 May itawuqala iphinze ifinishe khona kalobamba. Sitawugijima nje sijike khona lapha ngalendolobha lelithi libadudane nalobamba, but ngiyethemba ama-routes sitawa-reveala so soon, but i-registration seyivele ivuliwe. You can register in your numbers. Ngabe ngikhona ngakusurprise ngikushuthe ngigijime ngishiye. But ke siyangena i-weekend ibusy. Ibhola ikhona MTN Premier League Mula Sport First Division uyadlala kule weekend, uyaqala namuhla uyadlala MTN. Uyadlala Mula Sport National First Division Prince of Wales. Kune game isiyadlala former Premier League side Swahili United sistabe sivakashele. Sidlala na 3 PM bese kusasa kune umcimbi lomkhulu kaMula Sport First Division eManzini Club. Lapho khona sitabe sikhawuna ema-champions aka Mula Sport National First Division. I-game iyadlala eManzini Club. It's Lozitha Spurs itabe ivakashelwe bophejane lababovu. 3 PM that's na 5 PM bese kuba ne-crowning. Balingani bami simbonile First Division uqalile waqala na 16 teams. Saxosha Carrots 55,000 kwaba nema-team aphushana, sibonile Inkwele, sabona Mandlenya, sabona boBhejana, but ke there's a game to go. Red Rhinos ilida nga 3 points but siyayikhawuna Saturday. Nabe sifika njani lapho i-Red Rhinos ngicanga ukuthi ilwina njani i-Carrot, Mandlenya bekakhona so that iklayile but like ngingakakhayi i-Carrot.
Ngenda bekashayele lo Bhejane.
Ngiyalo solo ngethuka vele bengititshelile ngalomadlenya ngizayi hamba nayo but ke ngithe mangibuka namuhla vele ngabona chairman ku status zakhe ngotse mamba ukuthi vele sofake Bhejane so yaqala yahlafuna
ngiyosile ngambona ngifakile lapha khona bekusele 3 games ngake ngibona ngifakile uBhejane lapha kuchitheke ticatse tingakanani lapha ezayithi ukuthi alihlafuna abaBhejane but no soyibuka nje le race because lokhumbula first division sidlala igame yes15 irace ikhona emarookies bathi ngene Sundowns angala ishiselweni isile nayo yahlala lapha eTulu yasinayihledi kwachamuka yona Red Rhino yafika yahlala kwachamuka manje lokusinabe le competition lapha ku National First Division lokhu sesivala nje indzaba yeCarrot sesiyanye lo promotion two sports promotion lokuthi nibuka lelokhu ngubani lesingamgaza ukuthi utawuthola ipromotion at the end of the marathon of First Division ngicala ngawe Hero
mina mangibuka nje lana kule race to back to Premier League ema champions ngwanete Madlenya
championship winikelani
Madlenya mayibuka le team inale consistency and inalabadlali bayo solo bakanye i challenge maybe kube ngale babe sebasha I mentality ukuthi maybe sabatshela ukuthi bona baku right track but ke lokhu kube wake up call lokuthi babe seseba babalela manango lokuthi babe sesebadliwa la towards there
boyibukela igame KG ebeyidlala kalana critical game yeMandlenya yayidlala iDerby idlala noSuthu Liverpool ngicabanga ukuthi ngile igame leya beseyishintsha tonke nje indzaba yeCarrot lapho yabe seseyikhala khona phasi iMandlenya 2-1 now ibuka kuluza leya game nawubuka isengakhona kubuya iyadlala kule weekend idlala neprofessionals inumber 3 iprofessionals iMandlenya isembile nga 2 points kuprofessionals nabuka iMandlenya isatochubeka neconsistency ukuthi ngaphindze ibiyele number 1
Yes, going to the second round. Imadlenya ingabela lapha ku number 1. But again, Bhejane bekashito wathi uthi 1 million. Ukuthi afike lapha ka Premier League. Ngade noma sewuhlangene le 1 million. Amalanga but bekashito wathi 1 million. Ngama ukuthi Imadlenya going to the second round. Nalokuthi cishe ikile yaba lapha position 1. Yeah, victory by position 1. Yes, so ungakhala vele lokuthi at the end of the season yabuya ibhalo
but nalamanye ama teams nangase Northern Hodge
ngitshela ngeManchester ke number 4 ngakutshela ngayo
lo kuthanda kuwala George Manchester bayingoti labantu bayingoti labantu mababuka nje history yabo bangachallenge sport
etashaya iCeltic utokhumbula ukuthi anze kungwenya amakhaphu abekukhoka iCeltic ayibithele emkhuzweni weshaba ibeke eceleni
vele ngwenya amakhaphu indibabo labayijoyele George maybe nje yalo
sekucontenda ukuthi uphushele baphushele ipromotion but ke usokhuluma ngepromotion sengiyacabanga nje ukuthi ka First Division kune team lenkulu lekhona lapho utayikhumbula iManzini Sundowns iphi iManzini Sundowns iyabuya situation sichuba njani sona nawo sibuka ngesibone sihleti ngathi 2 places above relegation nangabe bese sekuba yilevel khulu for ama team lasuka ka Premier ukuthi ngabadlali sezilinya aphinze kabuye ka Premier League iManzini Sundowns
iManzini Sundowns izathusa sasikhathi George Lobovu kubuya inema issues la behind the scenes nama kukahle nje kuya iyona inale nangiyale big 3
lomkhuhlane kakhulu
sibone kuhamba kwa coach Nyama nje nakhona kuhamba kwakhe uhanjiswe kula manango kulemisindo lengale behind the scenes
because ngibukena idlala iDerby idlala neMoneni ngicabanga neMoneni nanyalo ngathi abakubuyele bayodlala le game le yaneManzini Sundowns ngete yafisa yawina ngasemagondwane gcine sisakhuluma yona but Pheze ubuka yona nje National First Division lapha ekugcineni bottom 4 teams atawuhamba. Kune CK Survivors lokhumbula ukuthi la season
labantu basava.
Umuntu lomkhulu buka ilokhi nanamuhla lokusiya kule weekend ingnumber 16 ingnumber 9. Takhumbula ukuthi na la season yasitwa ukuthi kwabe sesekufreeze i-relegation. Lokuthi nangabe le CK Survivors how long are they going to survive like first division? Lokuthi nangabe lama teams takhumbula for this season nje emachawe. Kuneluze killers nayo isenkingeni. Itawu survive khumbule ku Athletic Tycoons. Kuthi balo bani relegation bagcina balahleke nabo CK Survivor kuleluze killers abakhokhe some of the players.
Kuyakhumbula issues ze-CK towards the end of last season ukuthi bake babalala ukuthi vele sebajikile mthawula nabadlali sebangayidla senawo. Angibaboni ba-survive this time around.
Luther Killers produces so many players that are like Premier League, but they are struggling now. Angiboni bayiphunyula i-relegation alonyaka batakubadlala likely ukuthi badlale kamanzini Super League. Nangabe bese seyilahleka ukuthi ama-team la produce badlala kangaka bese sekaya strugglisha.
I think njengoba ashido here the issues, the internal issues ngoba kakhulu la contribute ekuthini bese team ilahlekelwa i-direction. Yes, Luther Killers ngibona ba producer bo Newman Strong Philiso embabana salo.
Wakhe.
Yes, bokwakhe but bayahlakisha and ngalokho sevele cishe kutawehla ema team lathandana eyahamba Luther Killers. Sevele ngeke survive this time around.
Mina bese ngicabanga iplan nje yokukhuluma ukhona umdlali ngicabanga sikhulume nomgugudla ababuyise bolanga ngoba manje babambisile Killers. Mane bethi registration seyivalile seke-impossible but sekumbe sebangakubuka ku next season bese babe sebayabuya njengoba sibonile boManzini Wanderers sabuyile ama-legends ade ubambisa i-team.
Yeah, ngaba tayibambisa mbamba yini.
Hey,
ngibonile nje bengisespeaking ngibukela yona Wanderers ke.
Dadula
into but ngaba impressed ubona i-legend nje Shumi alita by example afaka nelibhandi ayisesekhona
Usesekhona sure.
Ayisesekhona Shumi
Ishumi ngimathi kuManzini Sundowns la season akhocha lapho bengacabanga ukuthi usengabuya dlala ibhola.
Umuntu angagijima shiyo.
Shothi nawe ngihilo ufuna ukuthi ubuyele so uvuse PMT uligijimise.
Hayi asikangiphatha PMT. Ngisibaleke baba. Ngisibaleke asusikhulume lana i-Wanderers sibone ukuthi sibheka.
Yeah, nje ngicela singena ka MTN Premier League ema games eValentine. Hey, ne game lenkulu kusasa ngeValentine pass eshiselweni. Iyavakasha iBhabane Highlanders ivakashele ama-local leaders insingizini Hotspurs bayadlala igame is 3 PM. Ubona kwentekalani into ikhumbula igame badlala last season almost i-game towards the end of the season Bhabane Highlanders idlala nesingizini emavuso critical game sabona iHighlander because umonakala nanamuhla kusasa bayadlala it's Valentine's Day isingizini yawadzinga ama-point magebhuli yawadzinga ama-point nibona kwentekalani
Akutawende ngomhlobo.
shi esobhuza
Yeah, esobhuza. Bancane lababeli.
ibuyile Bhabane Swallows
Ibuyile Bhabane Swallows.
Yabuya i-Green Mamba.
Green Mamba yabuya.
Bayishayile i-Green Mamba last week
Yeah,
baphindisile
baphindisile.
This one is tricky.
Yeah, it's tricky.
This one is tricky.
Highlanders motivation.
These players are motivated. You know, angathi usini. Ngoba phela mabuka nje hlophela ukuthi i-play yabo
nje
i-right.
uba becele bathi naba becele lapha.
Yes.
But with the absence yale goalkeeper due to suspension, Sekelo Maseko.
Oh, that's why.
Ora already kanganani ngoba sicishe sasinesikhathi sesiqinile kumbona.
Bengithi siyikhuluma indzaba yasiqiniseko ukuthi nangimbukele nabadlala last game badlala neManzini Seabirds u-improvile ngake ngambukela abadlala nabashaya iBuffalo khona eMavuso.
Yes.
There is a great improvement, but unfortunately Taba angekho. Phindze ngifuna ukuthi kuto lokuthi nithi iHighland tawina nje isingezeni ibuye njani into the title race because iluze 4 key players, but they are refusing to go down. They want to defend the attack. Lokuthi what is the secret between i-secret and Singizeni with remain competitive? Kunabumba Highlanders, the issue of the big clubs akekho top 8 okuneswallows iyavala lapha top 8 ukuthi nangabe the cutting edge yeSingizini compared to Mbabane Highlanders kumbe kungaba yini nani ibuke gemini kusasa.
Okay, iSingizini wena Jojo i team le isayine kahle nebadlali abakahle kwaba 3 players abuka ba affect kakhulu because bebathi bona ukuthi vele kulesi season lafuna ba defend le championship yabo, so mabaye market bebahamba bathi ukuthi bafuna ini laba jakusebenzisa futhi angiboni ita structure kangako because niyala number 2 Young Buffaloes i-team lehlangene le season but iye besisishwa lokuncane kanti laba vele ba consistent.
Bangithuse nababuya last week babuya bashaya iGreen Mamba bayisha away, but ngicabanga ukuthi nawe ibuka iSingizini ima-signings ayo signing eSingizini kunasenzo Ndlovu lochamuka kulabamlonishe leyo chamuka kuAmazulu umbhobho uphethe lo mbhobho ngababona abadlali eScotland ama-combinations abo naDaniel lochamuka eNigeria. That one usmart lapha embili iBabana Highlanders angahle inikete inkingi, but naso ibuka iBabana Highlanders kumbe ubuka striking force nayo isayinile South Africans, the experience ngisele ngabona lo munye ayiteka lenzawo ukuthi experience from South Africa, one of the best performing country in terms of football in Africa is South Africa. There is the experience yabo Khuzwayo bakuBabana Highlanders, but inconsistency with in terms of results. So ukuthi nangabe kunamamkhize bekaphethe iRoyal AM lebe ihle ishaya lenye team lekuthiwa but ayisibathengele yenza ukuthi bese ikuphi shoda kuphi iBabana Highlanders Ernest Mavuso siyamati.
No, iBabana Highlanders isayinile but ngathi mayisayina ikhohlwe yini department
nabe seyikhohlwa
Kazi bakhohliwe ukuthi phela funa abashaya amagoli bona. Because mawubuka ukuthi emagoli abo aqhamuka kubani nangabe udown ke eMsimisi.
Khona ushaya ama-brace Msimisi.
Mangabe udown eMsimisi utabe ashawala.
Ubuyile siyabonga. Shaya i-hat-trick ubukhona umbukeli hat-trick.
Yebo kodwa ngeke bese sothemba siyabonga. Siyabonga is not a striker. Abakhohliwe bona kuthola strike.
That natural striker bebamdinga leyo number 9.
Okay, siyabonga vele we can't take that away from him lokuthi vele amagoli awasha but uligi
ukhona Kingcele inelgoli nangishine ibhola lengene.
That's not a strike.
Yes, they needed to have that natural striker because yes, ukhona ngosivumile. Le Themba Nkosi striker, yes, but I haven't seen much of him since afikile.
Mawubuka nje kulabo labafikile
ngathi since afikile. Yes, we're still to see Nazwelihle, yes, but I haven't seen. Okay, Skhumbuzo umfolile that little bit of a game time. Go game yabo against the best although naye angene ekugcineni. Okay, we're hoping to see him kule game eSingizini as umuntu lo sanayo experience and umuntu lo idlalele eSingizini lo yatiwe eSingizini.
Ngakazi vele ngwena tababulala.
But bese ngicabanga
approve
Uphinze ubuka iBabana Highlanders maybe mina ngekwami ngiyibuka ukuthi iyalekhaleka ku defense. Ngake ngayibuka badlalela iBabana Swallows Nciba wakora i-defense eBabana Highlanders ayikhona ukufollowisha. Nciba wathola leya loose ball wafika wascorisha nabadlala neGreen Mamba ibacover 2 from 2-0 egcina ku2-2. Nemagoli kube i-defense iyayiclearisha maybe they could have done better. Both of the goals ngabe clearish defense, but it's just a matter of wait and see. Kubuka ukuthi Indumiso Mabuzo tababuyile. Vilakazi nangesikhala sakhe kubuka ku-defense sikhona yini because he is out solo still nursing that nini njalo.
Yes, sikhona lesikhala kuyabonakala ukuthi cishe i-defense iyaceka. Yes, but we're hoping with the players la khona. Last week we saw the return of Sandile Ghana and Mphala.
Oh, Ghana.
Yeah, lapha abaphelisha na Delisa.
Oh,
yeah, vele lo Ramos uthingala kule experience yakhe engakhulu, international experience.
Oh, idlalele national
team nje. Makunayo experience lo Ndumiso. I think Ndumiso player kumbula ngiyeswana.
Ngiyeswana.
Ngoba unfortunate nje wazama kunawashelela lapha.
Ngosiyami.
Otherwise nayo improve ile considering lokuthi uyambona ukuthi uyi-JB but angeke wendlule lula.
Ayilomtimba wandumiso njengobuwa defender lama sinawo vele lama defender but uyadlala Ndumiso. Sengiyacabanga nje sengibuka moving on to Sunday, it's Super Sunday, Yellow Sunday, Mavuso Sports Center. Akuyobulawayo.
Wafa.
Gofa igame eqala it's Mbabane Swallows itabe vakashele Green Mamba. Naso sokhuluma Mbabane Swallows versus Green Mamba eMavuso Sports Center. Sekusuke nje ngikhumbula le trade fair bengathi bekuyifinal hero yakho.
Ungafuni ukuyela kule.
Hayi baphinde badibana phela kufinal ngonyama
cha. Ya baphinde badibana. Laba
lo neyamvuna le yakho ngibonela
nazuka lo.
Yazuka but ke nokuba le margin of goals kuleyo mdlalo lo. Kwaba penalty kuphela.
Yes.
Kwaba lokho okusebehlangene Swallows.
But ke sengibona le weather ya Sunday ngathi imvula iyathembisa lokuthi itabet khona. Kanti naBhazuka usekhona ngivena lo munye kusena ngathi une trauma ngaBhazuka ngathi leni.
aBhazuka vele utawuphakama kulena game.
Utawuphakama kulena game.
Kule game utawuphakama yena aBhazuka kusiyo umdlali esithi kule season singasho udropile. Aphiwe uBhazuka lesimadiwo.
Nabe kulahleka kuphi kusikhali sembubhiso.
Maybe absence singasho ukuthi i-absence yamagwego i-absence yamagwego nendawo becontribute kakhulu because cishe amagwego bekakhona lokuthi aphendle lapha
because yena usomthola full back
ayofuna le ball but ke naye amagwego kukhona ukuthi angahlabe anytime so we did it emagwego sinako ukuthi esikhali sembubhiso sitawubuya efomini sitawubuya egamini
shothi nangiva kahle ama predictions enu nithi igame ngathi ilina kakhulu ku Green Mamba ukuthi itawina.
No mina nje mangibuka Nimrod hayi tawuphela ngalokuthi
ngiyayibona
yes because naye coach ushidi itolo lo
Green Mamba
ngani wathi iSwallows improvile but bona because nabo bafana neSwallows kulamalanga results are not coming okay but washo improvile but nabo bayafuna phela
kunento bengifuna ukuthi siyikhulumise ngeMbabane Swallows iyale game le akukho strong akukho Philiso Newman uyombona irole ayidlalako wambona nakudabi akekho for this game akekho for the maybe for a number of games ukuthi iSwallows phindze ine pressure na ubuka ukuthi iSwallows they are sitting 4 points above relegation lokuthi nangabe i-pressure going into this game yodlala neGreen Mamba ingakanani iSwallows will be facing the likes of Boti labayati in and out lokuthi nalibuka iSwallows kumbe ingahle i-approach itawudlala njani utayikhosta njani utayikhosta vele kuba ngekho kwa Newman a game in such a critical game
yayo na ku absence ya Newman ngasho ukuthi itayikhosta iMbabane Swallows considering ukuthi lo muntu lona uphinzabe ngcaptain alide apha but ke mabakhuluma labo beSwallows lo stand in co na captain Manqoba Nciba uthe Nciba yena they are ready to take over. They are ready to fight for the club. They are ready for Green Mamba. They are ready kuthi noma amaphiliso angagcina ahambile lesikhala batazivala fast because kunema youngsters la angavala but ke na coach wa Caleb ushito wathi kwanyana uyena uhappy ngale team yakhe but not kusangaphombitha because it's a new team that's asikhathi usijele.
Yes.
Udokhatha bajika silobelwabe lapha ku first level.
Yeah, for the height yakhe, experience yakhe, ingabasita kakhulu kule game because cishe nale squad second mamba cishe kugcwele labo badlali labangathi yes but that experience yasilobelwayo cishe itanga experience
yakhe namle yalabadlali sebabazala ngivela coach wabo uMtolakhala ukuthi the new blood, the young players beyenele zini nale drive ukuthi bafuna compete.
Bo this season because now ibuka
wena bese kabuka futhi holistically kule league.
Holistically
yena ngizakhumbula ukuthi wahamba sangamathu tsuku.
Yes,
Wanyamalala uthi ke mase kabuka yena analyze le ball.
Yes.
Uyabona ukuthi kude labanye labalandzelako labavala le tikhala tawushona baboskali bobani bani
Just
uzibona ngathi bethe le drive bethe izinto
ukhuluma ngalo nje hero ngicabanga ukuthi kungaba liqiniso sibasha Sanzimali Sanzimali as a football person ngufuna ukuthi kube nale passion for you to be able to play. That's why you've seen the likes of Boskali, Felix, Bashana for such a long time because they have that passion, they have that zeal. That's why you see even Boshu, we just talked about Shu, because they had a passion they call for the sport. So now with the passion, the we are struggling.
The patient was late patient
Spamanda 24
captain
once we notice and we see they don't have that patient anymore
because naso vele unababuka banako lo khona iqinisa kulala bakushow because utawukhumbula la season mathini lamaningi beka strugglisha financially ukhanze bese sebaya boycott aboma trainings vele labadlala kusafunda ukuya kuyodlala without ukuthi le nto imali tibe khona but ke sibuye gemini lenkulu yekugcina Sunday imanzini derby it's Morning Pirates versus Manzini Wanderers. Uyawendekela ni Wanderers iyamdzinga 3 points
mdzinga kakhulu mdzinga kakhulu Wanderers 3 points now ubuka ukuthi after 17 games
yes
basayafika ku 10 points
bane
winning le season
Ngiyabona abantu abake kuphela vele nje baya vele i-confidence high
abayakoshaya ngeBuffalo sekufika kwaChaka Mandlazi ungase bafana kubanikete confidence because usakasa recorded defeat
but the Wanderers now zibuyile phela umlomdzala ubona ukuthi bafana abamotivate noma babe down kanganani mina ngabona ukuthi nangabe badliwa ngabanothi
because ngisile ngabuka angete nasho ngisile ngabuka nje kule group eManzini Wanderers bebakhuluma ngesikhathi kunagcina bakhuluma ngesikhathi sa-ace ukuthi umuntu lomdzali Wanderers tihlele tihlete imkhumbulo ukuthi kona sasidliwa but ukhanze bese bashawa note ukube sekuba kusinyana sokuphinze ubuyile utakhumbula first round imoneni yadlala neManzini Wanderers bese kumgcina yaphunyula ngawanothi maybe kumbe we can expect ukuthi kutaba i-draw or Wanderers can cause an upset.
They can cause
an drawing abakhona because even badlali okay khona nje lebasho ukuthi vele they are happy.
Yes.
Yebo khona le happiness lekho with the return yanyanga so we can expect a draw and upset
whatsoever happen but let's be there tomorrow so Sunday it's 4:45 Morning Pirates versus Manzini Wanderers. The winner is
Manzini Wanderers.
Babane Swallows versus Green Mamba, the winner will.
It's a draw.
It's a draw.
It's a draw.
Sivaleti sekeke kanjalo ngama predictions but uthi maqhawe win emanzini one loss. It's a draw. Ngiyacela ungivalelise
Alo watambulela kwanomthumeni but hayi.
It's a draw. It's a draw ya 1-1.
Utangivalelisela KG ungivalelisele sesisonga sesitawubuka weekend sidlala kanjani sibuye sesithi sitawubuya sesithi inekutinde cards.
Yeah, babukeli asiben khona emavuso Sunday kusasa sibe semayaluka sibe sise King Sopoza. Yes, I think that'll be it from us as a sports desk. We'll see you next week.
Hero ne-PMT.
Siyabonga sekubalaleli isikhathi senu asidibane emavuso but ingakhohlwa your race, your pace, your story. Times of Eswatini half marathon. Register.
Ngathi bangandilethele ama-roses evalentine angingawaceli. Hayi sengiyavalelisa ke mbukeliwe Times of Eswatini ngingijojo ngithi until kuze kube ngilokutako thina nawe sitawudibana na Sunday emavuso Sports Center ngabe ngikhona ukukulethela ama-updates etemidlalo. Siyabonga.